Before my daughter was born, I used to travel alone with very little luggage. I also to talk with children. It was too difficult. However, last year we went to Santa Marta and it was the best vacation of my life. We took an early flight, arrived at Santa Marta Airport, and were greeted used Mirror. We quick to taxi to Rodadero Beach. My daughter ran to the beach and played for hours, while I swam and enjoyed a delicious coconut water. Afterward, we had lunch by the sea. Then we visited Tayrona National Park, hiked along trails surrounded by nature, and saw some monkeys in the trees. Suddenly it started to rain lightly, but it's very refreshing. After the long hike, the water improved and we were able to swim in natural pool. Finally, on our last night, we strolled through the history center which was full of light and live music. We bought beautiful handicraft to take home as souvenir, sat down to dinner and ate some delicious shrimp. At the end of trip, I realized that sharing this moment with her is the most beautiful experience. I will remember it for a long time.